Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your vacations. Now it's time for our English lecture. Our today's topic is words opposite. Today we are going to learn words opposites. Okay, so in the first picture we have a sun, and you know sun is hot. In the summer season the sun is really hot. So our first word is hot, and the opposite of hot is cold. Hot, cold. Opposite of hot is cold. Hot, cold. Next word is there is a door that is open. Yes, our next word is open, and the opposite of open is close. Open, close. Open, close. So we have learned two word opposite today: hot, cold, open, close. Okay, so tomorrow we have learned the concept of he and she, and today we are going to learn he, she and it. The difference when we use he, when we use she, and when we use it. So when there is a boy we use he, when there is a girl we use she, and when there is any object we use it. So he for boy or man, she for girl or woman, and it for anything, object, animals, fruits and anything. So here we are going to learn the use of it is when we use it is. So in the first picture, this is a bee. This is a bee. This is a bee. Next we have the quality of bee dash light. The bee is light. So here we are going to describe its quality. We use it is light. It is light. Next we have an elephant. This is an elephant. It is heavy. It is heavy. Next is this is a watermelon. It is heavy. The watermelon is also heavy. This is a cow. It is heavy. So cow is also heavy. This is an ant. It is light. So ant is light. Next is this is a banana. It is light. Today we have learned the use of it is. When we use it is when we are going to tell about any object, animal, insect, fruit, vegetable, we use it is. We use it is. I hope you understand this concept very well. Allah Hafiz.